In this video, I'll show you how to connect your YouTube channel to Google Ads so you can improve your video campaigns and access better performance insights. Linking your channel allows Google Ads to track video engagement, create remarketing audiences, and make it easier to run video ads. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking Tools from the left sidebar. Then open Data Manager, which is where integrations and connected data sources are managed. Inside Data Manager, go to the Connected Products tab and find YouTube in the list. Click it and select Link Channel, then choose the YouTube channel you want to connect. If you manage multiple channels, be sure to select the correct one. Review the available settings for sharing engagement data and audiences between YouTube and Google Ads, then confirm the link. It may take a short time for data to appear after connecting. Once linked, your channel can be used for video campaigns and audience targeting. Subscribe for more simple Google Ads tutorials.